This is a chart. I just want to tell you what it is, and then we'll go to a couple more slides that explain it better. It's from the newspaper, but when the newspaper, they don't make it every year, and so when they don't make it, I'll make it. But it's Milwaukee. There's 18 districts in Milwaukee County, and then Ozaukee, Washington, and Waukesha County are down here. So we have proficient plus advanced scores in all of our grade levels in reading and math compared to all these other districts. Okay, we have Milwaukee County comparisons, and then we have a 4-county comparison. And in Milwaukee County, oh, this is high school. This is an old slide from high school, but the chart is the same for everybody. I want to show you the ranks. For Milwaukee County in reading, if you could see that chart, you'd see that out of the 18 districts, these are our ranks. Now sometimes we're only ahead by 1 percentage point. It's not statistically significant or anything like that, but still, it's just kind of interesting to be able to say, as a school board member or somebody from at the district level, that in Milwaukee County we're in the top 5 and first in several areas. Now when you expand into some of those money school districts in some of the other counties, it more, you know, our rankings will go down. That's reading. Here's math. It's even higher. There's even more. So what if we change the system of scoring like we're going to be changing, where we're not going to have as high proficient plus advanced compared to others? We'll still be, you know, for ranking purposes, whatever that's worth, we still be have a pretty positive look. But look at the drop from here to here. Okay, I'm going to show you a series of slides that again show really positive things, and they compare reading and math at all of our schools, and they're vertical bar graphs, and the one on the left is Ben Franklin, then Countrydale and Pleasant View, and Robinwood, then Southwood Glen. And there's a couple of things about it. I'm showing you these because they show differences among the schools a little bit. They're all high though. And again, to make a point that things aren't always what they appear, because this is high looking things, but we know we've got these achievement gaps. We know we've got a new scoring system coming up that's going to show a difference in the way our proficient plus advanced are going to be a lot lower, maybe half or less than half of what we're showing here. And it shows the importance of collaboration among the grade levels from school to school. And this is grade 3 reading. Ben Franklin, Countrydale, Pleasant View, Robinwood, Southwood Glen. Grade 3 math. Grade 4 reading. Grade 4 math. Grade 5 reading. Grade 5 math. Grade 6 reading. Grade 6 math. And you can look back at these if you need to. And these are the charts when Heather pointed out that, hey, those math things are exactly the same, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these, but I just want to link out to show you that you'll be able to check the accuracy on this, because this is where those numbers came from. You're able to see map growth fall to spring last year and the percentage of student scores that increased in their RIT scores. So, you know, you're able to compare the schools here, and this is something that you can use when you're in your smaller groups. Because as she pointed out, that couldn't have been accurate. Find a better way to do that. And just real quickly, before turning it over to your principals, things that are driving our work and are under external things that we have to consider are the Common Core state standards and the Smarter Balanced Assessment System, which is it's the people.
They're going to read the article in about 5 minutes.
Okay, that you'll find all about the Smarter Balanced Assessment Program, and then later today I'll have a few words for you on how our system in the state is changing because the Department of Public Instruction applied for a waiver from No Child Left Behind, and it's like a modification of all of the rules. We get out of having to meet the 100% proficiency for all the kids by 2014-15, but there's all these other rules that are put into place, and we'll have a quick summary of what those rules are. Finally, I'll come back and talk about the continuous improvement model that is kind of a re-symbolizing of the work that we've been doing all along anyway. Okay? And that's it.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you, Mike.